Today we'll talk about how can you enable news notifications on your Champions League app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down here, or you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. Then you go down, you come here to news, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here news notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable news notifications. That's all. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching.